Choosing between two air conditioners might seem straightforward until you realize one brand just changed hands in a massive corporate buyout and the other clings to a build quality most manufacturers abandoned years ago. If you are not careful, you could end up paying a premium for a name that no longer has the same factory backing it used to. I am HVAC repair guy, and I have over 17 years in the game as a service tech, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator, so I look at units a bit differently. I am primarily looking for serviceability, coil protection, and who will actually honor your warranty when things go south. Today we are comparing the Friedrich FRA15AY and the Luxaire TCD2. Both are single-stage basic category units, but there are critical updates you need to know before you sign a contract. First off, the industry landscape just shifted when Johnson Controls' residential business was purchased by Bosch Home Comfort. Luxaire has long been a staple under Johnson Controls, so this transition is something to keep an eye on for long-term support. When we look at how these units are actually built, there is a clear winner in the protection department. The Luxaire TCD2 uses a slotted panel construction, which is a step up from a cheap wire grill. However, it does not offer the same level of defense as the Friedrich FRA15AY. The Friedrich uses true louvered panels which give superior protection to condenser coils against hail stray rocks or a neighbor's lawnmower. Efficiency-wise, the Friedrich pulls ahead with a 15.2 SEER 2 rating, while the Luxaire TCD2 sits at 14.3 SEER 2. In real-world terms, that is a small but noticeable difference in your monthly power bill. Both units keep it simple with no variable speed fans or compressors, which usually means fewer electronic gremlins down the road. Now let's talk about the safety net and clear up some confusion. Neither Friedrich nor Luxaire offers a unit replacement guarantee on these specific models. If the compressor fails, you are looking at a standard part replacement under their 10-year warranties, not a brand new outdoor unit. For the Luxaire TCD2, equipment-only prices are landing around $1,300 to $1,800 for the condenser itself. When you factor in a professional installation, you should expect quotes in the $5,500 to $7,500 range. The Friedrich FRA15AY is a bit more of a specialty item in the split system world, and with that higher SEER 2 rating and better cabinet, the equipment cost usually sits between $1,800 and $2,400. A full install for the Friedrich will likely run you between $7,000 and $9,000. So what is the final verdict? While the Luxaire is a solid workhorse, I am giving the win to the Friedrich FRA15AY. Between the higher 15.2 SEER 2 efficiency and true louvered panel construction, it is the better built machine. In an industry where everything is being bought out and value engineered, Friedrich is still putting a real cabinet around their equipment. Go with the Friedrich. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.